closely, Madam Chair, and was duly endorsed by our city budget officer. For this, Madam Chair, I move to pass this two supplemental budget of Barangay Gutukan and Barangay Katadman Manabay, Madam Chair, for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution and is duly approved by the city budget, Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to letter D of item number 7, number 1. Letter dated July 28, 2025, addressed to the Regional Director, Bureau of Local Government Finance, Region 10, Cagayan City, the certified list of real property tax delinquency as of December 31, 2024, duly furnished by our city treasurer, and copies of this letter was furnished also to the City Council and available upon demand of any members of the body. Honorable Chair, in the meantime, I recommend that this letter of our treasurer be journaled in the record City Council. Honorable Chair.
On messages and communications on item number 1, presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, that this be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no committee reports submitted on my table, as well as there are no pending matters on my table under item number 9 and number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this point of time, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on PCL matters from our Chairman of the Committee on PCL, meaning our Liaison Officer, Honorable Ding Siso. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Suiso is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion. But before Honorable Suiso, we may recognize the arrival of Honorable Moralion.
For PCL matters, Madam Chair, none as of the moment.
None at the moment, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we also have a pleasure and privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Pel de Lungsod, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Duay Lungsod, you are now recognized for some SK matters, please.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK Matters, I would like to inform this August body that in observance of the Linggo ng Kabataan 2025 with the theme of Local Youth in Action for the SDGs and Beyond, all the SK officials of our city of Ozamis are now preparing for the upcoming activities for the Linggo ng Kabataan, because August is not only for the Buwan ng Wika but also a Linggo ng Kabataan and, as mandated by the Republic Act 10742 or the Sangguniang Kabataan Reform Act of 2015. So, and also the SK Federation of Ozamis City under this representation are now also preparing for the upcoming activities in coordination with the Chairman of Committee on Tourism. Thank you, Madam Chair.
That would be on August.
For the month of August, Madam Chair.
There's no specific date?
No specific date, Madam Chair.
Okay, noted.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, may we now have a pleasure and privilege to hear on Barangay Affairs from the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, the young and handsome Honorable John Calamarion, Honorable Chair.
Thank you.
Okay, the young and handsome Honorable Moralion, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair, for ABC matters and at this moment.
Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We now have a pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Ding Siso, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Suiso, you are now recognized by the Chair for some IP matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. For IP matters regarding the recently concluded Committee of the Whole on the application of Press Cocina, we will be submitting, especially the office of the Chief Consejera Linda Bation, on the grounds on the violations on the cultural, what do you call this, policies of their tribe. As soon as we have it, Madam Chair, we will going to have it included in the memorandum of agreement and subject for another round of committee hearing as scheduled. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Suiso. Noted by the Chair your information.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to the final item, this morning, our City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Buentes, inquired from this invitation what time we'll end our session this morning. I told him, probably, Mayor, it would be not before 10 o'clock because he desired to have a meeting with us after the session. So I request my colleagues to remain meantime because after this session, I will ask my staff to contact the mayor, informing the mayor that we are now we have finished the session, so he could now call us for a meeting. So thank you for that. And I yield to my colleagues for any other important announcement before I proceed to the last item.
Madam
Yes,
Chair.
any concern from this August body?
Madam Chair, may I have something to say,
Yes,
Madam Chair? This is to inform this August body that tomorrow afternoon from 1 o'clock to 5 p.m. there will be a provincial coordination,
What's the time?
Provincial,
1 to 5.
5.
Provincial coordination meeting and briefing for the 2025 Local Legislative Award through Zoom, which will be attended by the ILG officers and Secretary to the Sangguniang.